Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. If you're in search of top-notch protection and style for your Chevy Silverado seats, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the best Chevy Silverado seat covers. Stay tuned as we explore the finest options to enhance your driving experience. Let's get started. Number 1. Urun seat covers redefine luxury for Chevy Silverado owners. Unveiling a seamless blend of style and comfort, these covers transform your truck's interior into a lavish oasis. Crafted with precision, they snugly fit like a second skin, enhancing every curve of your seats. The ultra-durable material withstands the toughest journeys, ensuring longevity without compromising on elegance. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the meticulous design that aligns perfectly with Silverado seats. Urun seat covers aren't just accessories, they're statements, reflecting your impeccable taste. Elevate your driving experience, indulge in unmatched opulence today. Number 2. Urun seat covers, a game changer in automotive elegance. These covers are not just about protection, they're a style statement. Crafted with precision and designed for perfection, they hug your seats snugly, enhancing comfort and durability. The attention to detail is staggering, every stitch speaks of quality. Slide into your Silverado, and you're greeted with luxury. Stains, wear, and tear. Say goodbye. Urun seat covers ensure your ride exudes class, making heads turn with envy. Elevate your driving experience. These covers aren't just an upgrade, they're a lifestyle choice. Buckle up and let your Silverado ride in style. Number 3. Rough Country seat covers redefine comfort and style for your Chevy Silverado. Elevate your driving experience with these premium seat covers that blend rugged durability with unmatched elegance. Crafted with precision, these covers not only fit like a glove but also protect your seats from wear and tear. The attention to detail is impressive, ensuring a seamless, custom look. The luxurious feel underlines their quality, making every drive a true pleasure. From off-road adventures to daily commutes, these seat covers are your Silverado's best companion. Dive into the lap of luxury while safeguarding your interior. Rough Country seat covers, where style meets endurance. Number 4. Lucky Man Club seat covers. Unveiling a blend of luxury and durability, these seat covers are a game changer. Crafted with precision, they seamlessly fit your Silverado, enhancing its interior with a touch of sophistication. Designed for enthusiasts who demand excellence, these covers not only protect your seats but elevate your driving experience. The attention to detail is exceptional, every stitch screams quality. Installing them is a breeze, and once on, they stay put, ensuring a snug, tailored fit. Made to endure the rigors of daily use, Lucky Man Club seat covers redefine automotive elegance. Elevate your Silverado's interior effortlessly. Number 5. Baal seat covers. Prepare to be amazed by the perfect fusion of style and functionality. These seat covers redefine luxury with their exquisite design and precision fit. Crafted with utmost care, they offer unparalleled comfort, making every drive an indulgent experience. The attention to detail is unmatched, enhancing your truck's interior aesthetics effortlessly. Plus, they're not just stylish, but also durable, promising long-lasting protection for your seats. Revamp your Silverado with Baal seat covers, where sophistication meets utility. Elevate your driving experience today. In conclusion, choosing the best seat covers for your Chevy Silverado is essential for both comfort and protection. With a plethora of options available, it's crucial to find the perfect balance between style, durability, and functionality. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in your decision-making process. Thanks for watching, and happy driving with your newly upgraded Chevy Silverado seat covers.